Jack, what do you think of the hair transplant?
Yeah, I think it was great. I really enjoyed the result.
Today we're going to present Jack. He presented to us 15 months ago with a Norwood 4 pattern. This is the pre-op pictures. You can see here that he had a Norwood 4 pattern with recession on both sides. You can see the natural hairline. You can see the high density. Can you just move to your left, please? Yep. Move to your right, please. Again, note the hairline. It's natural and it's a very, very good density. Look straight, please. You can also see that the hair has grown in and has merged with the natural hair behind it, so you cannot tell the difference. Look to your left, please. Look to your right, please. So Jack, what do you think of the hair transplant?
Yeah, I think it was great. I really enjoyed the result.
When did the hair begin to grow back? After how many months from the transplant?
I think about 4 months.
4 months after. And you had a good experience?
Yes.
How was it immediately after the procedure? Was it very painful or was it okay for you?
It was just painful for the first night, and the following week, as the strip was recovering, but other than that, everything went well.
How has this changed your life, having the transplant? Do you feel more confident? How is it with friends, with work?
Yeah, everything was better. I was more confident and didn't have to worry too much about my hair anymore. So I could do a lot of things, after I got my transplant.
So you're glad you did it?
Yep.